Hey, hi everyone. Today we are going to see how to maintain our Salesforce certification. So all that what you have to do is go to your Trailhead, then go to credentials, click on maintain certification. You will see this particular link. This link will tell you what are the certifications you have to maintain, what are the certifications maintenance exam has been released. So in this link, if you see winter 20, now the winter 20 has been released, and these are the list of certification. If you hold these certification, platform, app builder, developer, you have to maintain. First of all, what is that maintain the certification? If you hold any Salesforce credentials, say for example Salesforce administrator, developer, platform developer 2, you have to maintain, which means you have to update yourself, that you are learning the new things being introduced by the Salesforce. In order to have a proof of the same, you have to complete the trailhead modules for those updates. So what you have to do, go to your credentials, sorry, go to your profile. In your profile, you can find there is a maintenance icon next to your certification. This is my profile, if you go here, you see for the platform app builder one, maintenance is due. App builder maintenance due. Platform developer one, maintenance is due. But rest of the certification are now inactive. So what I have to do, you see there is a message comes here. It says I have to complete the platform developer one maintenance module by December 21. First, let's click that. It's just a help an article. It explain you what you have to do exactly. So maybe you can read out this article, but I'll take you through what exactly you have to do. It is mentioned that we have to complete the platform winter one examination. So just go to your search module. Okay, go to the search module and then search for the platform app builder certification. Okay, let's search for that module. So this particular module will appear. Similarly, for platform developer one certification maintenance, you will find a trailhead module like this. So just like how you complete the trailhead module, you have to go and go to this particular module. If you have to read and understand what are the new updates going on, then you have to complete the quiz. Give the proper answer and check the quiz to earn the points. Don't worry, if you're going to do multiple attempts, you're not going to fail in the maintenance examination. Anyway, you're going to lose the points, not the certification. Next, the second module. The second module, just like you have to learn and understand the new updates, what is being introduced. Then they have provided you new challenges. Okay, you can go to any playground and you can complete this challenge. So once you completed this challenge, you will find these modules has been completed in your profile, just like others. If you look at here, see, like this, I have completed winter 20, I have completed summer 19, so I have completed spring 19 maintenance trial head modules. You will see the modules has been completed, and once that particular module has been completed, this will become active. Okay. Usually the due date will be like they will be giving a time for 1 year in usual. If you look at the maintenance certifications, it is really, really important to maintain your certification. Suppose if you fail to complete these trailhead modules within the time period they have mentioned, before December 21, I have to complete these many modules. If I fail to do that, I will lose my credentials, which means I have to go do the examination once again to have my certification. This is all about maintaining the Salesforce certification. If you have any doubts, you can comment in this video description. We will help you with that. And if you are really interested to know more about our AJ Skill Development Salesforce training program, please visit our website ajskilldevelopment.com, and here you can get the details about the Salesforce curriculum and what are the other things we help you with training apart from training, and what are the curriculum we are doing. And below that you will find the list of people who completed certifications, super badges, their feedbacks, of course. people got placed recently, and our social media reviews. Okay. And thank you so much for watching this. And if you have any query, please post below in this YouTube comments. Thank you.